Today, with the help of my daughter Marisanthi, we will demonstrate you some exercises using the new ARK therapeutic tool called proButton, which is special for lip closure. As you can see, the set consists of two tools, a bigger one and a smaller one. So for Marisanthi, which is a teenager, I will use the bigger one, but if you are working with a younger child, I will recommend the smaller one. So in the first exercise, I will ask just for lip closure. So close your teeth and hold the button only with your lips. Very good. Be careful here. Let the lips do all the work without the head moving or assisting. So stay still very well, and I'm counting to up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. In the second exercise, I will ask for some more resistance. So close your teeth and squeeze as hard as you can while I'm trying to pull it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't move your head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and squeeze, 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 squeeze. Very good. Well done. And in the third exercise, we're going to work on the sides of the lips. So squeeze the button here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's see if you can move the button on the other side on your own. Very good. And on the other side. It's okay. Excellent. Very good. Did you use your tongue to do that? So I wouldn't recommend this exercise for if you have a big problem with tongue thrust, but it's very good for lip closure. Thank you very much, ARK Therapeutic, and keep being innovative.